Let it all out, dude. Ooh. Oh, you want some Jack Daniels? Welcome to the Pussy Crew. This is the first time I've ever seen him puke.
Damn, bro. Sounds like you're coming.
Oh, shit. God damn, there's me. Rick!
No more.
Rick! No more.
Stop. Oh. It hurts.